Chamaraja Vidhana Sabha constituency. Chamaraja is one of the 224 constituencies in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly of Karnataka, South State of India. It is also part of Mysore Lok Sabha constituency. Member of Legislative Assembly 1978 Kalastavati Puttaswamy, Janata Party, T Party, Atta Party, Atta Party, Atta Party, T Party. 1978 by poll, B.N. Kenjigowda, Indian National Congress Indirers 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 Indirer 1983 H. Kempegowda Janata Party Gowda Janata Party 1985 K. Kemperegowda Janata Party Party 1986 by poll PM Chikkaboria Janata Party a Party a Party a Party a Party 1989 K. Harshik Humar Gowda Indian National Congress 1994 H. S. Shankarelanja Gowda Bharatiya Janata Party Party a Party a Party T Tata Party T Party 1999 H. S. Shankarelanja Gowda Bharatiya Janata Party T 2004 H. S. Shankarelanja Gowda Bharatiya Janata Party 2008 H. S. Shankarelanja Gowda Bharatiya Janata Party 2013 Vasu Indian National Congress 2018 L. Nagendra Bharatiya Janata Party a Party a Party T